Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Master Replica feature if you want to copy just a single lesson. To do this, open the course and click the arrow next to Add Lesson. Then choose Create Master Replica. Next, enter the name of new lesson, choose Academy, Course, and select Master Lesson. After that, click Create. This will create a replica of the lesson. Now, any changes made to the master lesson will automatically be reflected in all its replica. If you want to go to the master lesson, simply click Open Lesson. If you need to make changes only in the replica, you should unlink it from the master content. To do this, click Disconnect from Master and choose Yes, Disconnect. After this, the replica becomes a fully independent lesson that you can edit separately. This feature makes managing lesson much easier and saves your time. I hope this helps, and good luck with your academy!